Today I visited Sobel Leisure Centre in Aberdare to celebrate the 1-year anniversary of the work Marauders Men's Charity and Sport in Mind are doing to support men's mental and physical health. Sobel is one of 12 Leisure for Life centres managed by RCT Council, and today has been a great example of how partnership work and our council facilities support local groups to make a real difference for residents. With sessions running every Friday in Aberdare and Monday in Llantwit-Fardra, men have the opportunity to get active, connect with other men and improve their mental and physical well-being for free. So why not join them one day? We're lucky to have Sport RCT and such dedicated exercise referral professionals across the council, ready to support people who want to become just that little bit more active.
Hi, my name is Andrew Jones. I've been a member of this Marauders Club since its inauguration. It was a massive outlet for me, recovering from various illnesses, and the camaraderie here is absolutely brilliant. I'm a Ferndale boy originally, moved to Aberdare, so I made a lot of new friends, met a lot of new people. Loads of us have quite a few bits in common, a few ex-forces, I'm ex-reserve, and everybody gets on great, as you've seen today yourself. It's a wonderful atmosphere here, it's a really good laugh. You do everything to your own ability, you're not pushed to do anything that you can't do. So if you feel that you can't do a particular exercise, the trainers will give you a different exercise to do. So it's really interesting, and I would encourage anybody to join.
So it's about getting men out and talking together, walking together and building that bond that some men struggle to do. So it's a fantastic charity. So come along or find us in RCT. We have a website, we have a Facebook group as well. So come along.